Okay, so from here, I'm going to teach you how to edit the homepage slideshow of the new website. And basically, we're going to keep the continuity of the existing website, which is here the same. So we're going to go ahead and first start with a file that I email you called hero-bg.psd. Open that up in Photoshop, and it's going to give you the background layer of the actual image look and feel. So this will be your base layer for all the images moving forward. So what we want to do first is I'm going to duplicate this mobile application testing slide on the existing website here. So what we want to do is find an image that you want to use to place into the actual slider, and this could be anything. I'm going to use the existing one that's already there for demonstration purposes, and I'm going to position it in the canvas. I'm going to place it. And you'll notice right off the bat that the image size is 1920 wide by 453 high. So any images moving forward that you put into this slideshow, please make sure that they're at least 1920 wide, or if you need to, resize them down to get them to 1920 wide. This is the standard size 1920 by 1080p screens will actually view. So you want to do 1920 by 453 high. That's our parameter. So keeping that in mind, we're going to save this as a JPEG. I'm going to call it hero-bg.jpg. I've already done it once for the demonstration. Now once this is saved, verify that you have it on your desktop or wherever you're working from. Go to the back end of the website, which is /admin. I'll email you your credentials. It's B Jenkins, and then I'll email you your actual credentials to keep the security up here. Log in. Once you're logged in, you'll see the dashboard, and these are all hot links that I feel you'll be using the most when it comes to administering the website. You do have control over changing pretty much every aspect of the website, but these are going to be your hot buttons. So the first one you want to use is Edit Home Slideshow, and then from here you'll see the actual slides. These lines in the table are actual slides. So here's your on-point project-based testing slide. That's going to appear first. Here's your DevOps slide. That appears second. So if we hit refresh on this actual website, two slides will appear. Here's on-point project-based testing that appeared first. Here's your DevOps slide. If we want to change the order of the slides, we can drag this down, and now DevOps will load first. You don't have to save anything. It'll auto-save. So if we hit refresh, DevOps now appears first. So it's real simple to change the order of these slides based on maybe when an event's coming up or maybe some relevant information you want to put out there first thing. So going back to the administration panel, let's go to Add Slide. And this is simply how you're going to add it up, and it's pretty straightforward. So let's go to the slide we're going to duplicate. I'm going to duplicate this mobile application testing. So all I'm going to do is just copy and paste this text in here. So let's go ahead and paste the image caption. That's the main heading. Then let's go to the subtext, which is the deploy apps text. That goes here. Then let's go to the subtext, which is here, the keeping up with. Copy that. Let's paste that here. Now your enter button text, that's usually read more, but it could say anything you want. That's what the front of the button will actually read. And your button link target is going to be the URL that you want to direct them to. So let's go into a page in the existing website that already is alive. This would be the application lifecycle management page. We're going to copy it up to where it says page, so /, and then it's going to say page. Copy everything that you see highlighted here. And you're going to simply paste that there. Now you're going to select your file. That's going to be your hero-bg.jpg picture name. You can name these whatever you want. You're going to hit Add Slide, and it'll simply tell you success. It was added successfully. You can go back to the home page, and there's your new slide. You can test the link by clicking on the Read More button. We're also adding in the arrows that go on to the right and left side of the slideshow to make you be able to navigate through the slides. So that'll be done hopefully by the time you're actually seeing this video. And let's go ahead and test the Read More, and now it's directing us to the page. So like I mentioned in a little bit earlier in the video, you can actually make these links go anywhere you want. So if you want to go back and administer this and say, you know what, I want mobile application slide to be second. I want to be able to point this over to maybe Hewlett-Packard's site. So let's just do, say we want it to point to HP instead, or maybe there was a specialized page in HP. We can just simply go here, paste it, hit update, go back to our actual website, and let's try it out after it goes to the next slide. Bam. So it's pretty straightforward on manipulating the very base of the website. So I'm going to make a few more videos here showing you how to administer the rest of these areas in separate videos, and I hope this helps you. If you have any questions, you can always email me, brian@archifx.com, and I hope this helps you out.